Hey guys! Welcome back to another amazing Roblox video! If you play Dress to Impress and you're looking for the newest free rewards, stylish outfits, and exclusive items, then you're in the right place. Because in today's video, I'll be showing you all of the latest and fully working Dress to Impress codes for the brand new Call and Rework Update 2026. These new codes can give you free outfits, stylish accessories, exclusive dresses, makeup items, unique fashion cosmetics, and many other exciting rewards without spending any Robux. The latest Call and Rework update brings a lot of exciting changes to Dress to Impress, including quality of life improvements, reworked features, updated fashion items, new outfits, colorful accessories, smoother gameplay, and plenty of other improvements that players are excited about. And the best part is that some rewards can be unlocked completely free by redeeming the newest working codes. I've collected all the latest active codes that are currently working after the new update, so make sure you watch this video until the very end, because you don't want to miss any secret codes or exclusive free rewards. Some codes may expire soon, so make sure to redeem them as quickly as possible before they stop working. If any new bonus codes are released during the update, I'll try to include them in this video as well. So keep an eye on the comments section and stay updated so you can claim every free reward available right now. Before we start, make sure to like this video, subscribe to the channel, and turn on the notification bell so you never miss future Roblox code videos, update news, free item events, and new working rewards. Now let's get started and check out all the newest Dress to Impress Call and Rework Update 2026 codes.